Hello everybody, and welcome to Tickera video tutorials. In this video, we will explain you how to install the premium version of Tickera. We will cover downloading the premium version of Tickera, uploading and activating it on your website. The same principle can be used for any of Tickera add-ons. Head to Tickera website tickera.com and in the menu click My Account in the upper right. If you are not logged into your account, you will be prompted to do so. Click the Download section on the left. Search for Tickera and click Download button. The download will start automatically and you will notice the license key dialog pop up. Copy your license key. If you don't copy it now, you will be able to find your license key within the licenses area of your account. After downloading Tickera from your account, log in to the backend of your WordPress website to which you want to install Tickera. In the menu on the left, click Plugins and then Add New. This will lead you to the page where you will be able to install a new plugin. At the top, click the Upload Plugin button. Browse to the location where you have downloaded Tickera on your computer and select it. Once the installation is finished, WordPress will ask you whether to activate a plugin, and you should do so. In the next step, you will be prompted to enter your license key. If you have copied it while downloading the plugin from your account, you should just paste it here and then click Agree and Activate License. Once activated, the plugin's installation wizard will appear. In just a few simple steps, it will set up some basic options for you. For this demonstration, we will be using a standalone version of Tickera. Of course, if you will be using Tickera with WooCommerce, select WooCommerce plus Tickera. We will proceed with the standalone version, so we will click Continue. On the next screen, there are some basic settings for a ticketing store, such as currency, currency symbol, currency position, price format, and taxes. You can change all of these options later in Tickera settings, so just click Continue button to forward to Tickera Pages setup options. In this step, the wizard will create all of the pages necessary for Tickera to work properly, so just click Continue button. On the next screen, Tickera will inform you where you can download the check-in apps that you can use to check in attendees who purchase tickets on your website. Just click Continue and then click Finish, and the installation is done. If you need to install any additional add-ons, the easiest way is to head to the account area of Tickera on your website. On that screen, you will see all of your account details, and right below these, you will find a list of all the available add-ons. If you have purchased standard license or you are using free version of Tickera, you will be offered to purchase these add-ons. However, if you hold bundle or lifetime license, you can install and activate add-ons from here in a few simple clicks. Just click Install Now, and after a few seconds, click Activate Plugin, and you are done. All of the plugins you have installed and activated will of course appear in the WordPress's plugins area. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe and get notified about all the tutorial videos we release.